Hey, welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we're going to take a look at how to clean the stainless steel areas of your oven. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. So it's good to know how to clean areas that have stainless steel so that you don't permanently damage them forever. Not all surfaces react the same way to cleaning products, and by cleaning your stainless steel areas with improper materials, well, can dullness or it can even scratch your stainless steel forever. So the big rules of thumb to follow are: do not use any cleaning products containing chlorine bleach. Never wipe your stainless steel down against the grain when cleaning. To remove fingerprints and restore luster after cleaning, you can use stainless steel sprays such as Stainless Steel Magic. It's also recommended to do a daily cleaning using a soft cloth and any of the following cleaners: soapy water, white vinegar, or a multi-surface cleaner. Always rinse and dry with a microfiber cloth after putting these solutions on your stainless. If you have moderate to heavy soil developing on your stainless use of soft cloth, wipe with one of the following: scrub without bleach or similar non-abrasive cleaners. Always rinse and dry it with a microfiber cloth. If you're getting some discoloration on your stainless, you can use a damp sponge or soft cloth. Wipe with Cameo stainless steel cleaner, rinse immediately, and dry it with a microfiber cloth. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.